I'm with Nan Gaylord at the Student Health Center at Vine Middle School. So Nan, tell us about what y'all do here.
The Vine School Health Center was put here 26 years ago with the Knox County Schools, Knox County Health Department, and the College of Nursing to provide health care to students that were unable to access care for whatever reason. We had 7,000 visits last year, and that's both mental health and physical health.
Now, you guys are a partnership with the University of Tennessee, correct? Can you explain how that works, please?
It works well. I mean, we're both really respected partners. The College of Nursing has been here for 26 years. The Knox County Schools determined that there was a big need that they were unable to address. Even though the school district has 80-something school nurses, we do beyond what the school nurse can do, and the school nurses refer to us for care, for sports physicals, immunizations, sick kids. The partnership is they provide us this space, so we don't have to pay for that or the phones. We provide them the service, and hopefully we're sustainable only with our charges and grants.
Is this where your nurses can get some clinical experience? That the benefit for your program?
Right, that is really true, and it's a good clinical experience. We always have undergraduate nursing students, graduate nursing students, but it's also an interprofessional practice. So we have social work, we have LCSWs that help us with resources, but also with counseling, and we also have undergraduate and graduate social work students. So there are lots of students floating around. This is an excellent clinical experience for them. So, and the students have always been welcome.
You touched on this a little bit, but can you talk about specific services that are offered here?
We do well childcare, developmental assessments, behavioral assessments that go with well childcare. We also sign sports physicals at the same time because we really want kids to be active. We see sick kids, we do immunizations, we do any labs. We also have, as I said, interprofessional practice, so we also have counseling and resourcing, helping to get insurance with our social work.
And let's talk about mental health for a second. You can have an acute injury or whatever, which doctor visit takes care of it in many cases, but with mental health, that's much more of a process. So what does that look like when someone comes to you and you're kind of the first point of contact, I guess, for that specific issue?
In our interprofessional practice, we're really attuned to not just physical health, but the mental health of the children that we see. We make assessments on that, whether that's behavioral, depression, ACEs, and if we're detecting some concerns, we always have our LCSWs and our master's prepared students who can help us with that next step. So we provide weekly counseling to a certain number of patients that they're able to serve. And they also work with the mental health counselors that are available in the schools. We have one play therapist, and there are only 10 in Knox County, and one of them's here. The rest of them are in private practice. She's the only one that takes Tenn care. So mental health is an important concern here.
You founded this place 26 years ago. You said there's a lot of collaborators, as there always is with a project like this, but you've seen it from the beginning. Can you tell us what changes you've seen over the past 26 years and what you see moving forward?
Collaboration started in one room in the main school. And as we continued to grow and realized that there was a need, we discussed moving. We needed a bigger space, and that this space was given to us and was paid for with outside grants to renovate that. And we continue to grow and be supported by the local community here, but also the Knox County Schools at large, yeah.
Nan, thank you so much for your time and also for providing this valuable service. And I also love to see the collaboration between Knox County Schools and the University of Tennessee.